Hey, it's Kobe from KobeRock.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to save your Lightning QR generated code and what to do with it after you save it. Okay, so as you remember in the last video we created a QR code that's going to send the visitor to KobeRock.com after they scan it. So in case you didn't see that video, I'll show you how to do it again. All you do is just click over here and choose your action. We're going to do web address. Put in the URL that you want them to visit after they scan it. Click generate code, and if you want to change the background, we'll do let's do a blue. Say OK, and then let's change the size to 300 by 300. Click OK. Now the reason, let's say that I wanted to do blue and I want to do that size to match my website. You can see like this, the background here is blue, so we'll say that we're kind of going with blue or the blue theme. I know it doesn't match, but just bear with me. So now I want to save it either as a BMP or as a JPEG. Now which one of these you choose depends on you and your preference and what you plan on doing with it. JPEGs are generally a higher quality, but a bitmap image, the BMP, is going to be smaller. So if you need your website to load fast and you want your image to load faster, then go with the BMP, the bitmap. If you're more concerned about the looks and the quality, then go with the JPEG. But it really doesn't matter. Just choose whichever one you like, whichever one you want to work with. In this case, we're going to do a JPEG. So we'll save it as a JPEG. I'll just choose Save as JPEG and choose the file, the folder I want to choose it in. We'll do it in this one. We'll just name it Test QR. And I'll just choose Save. Oh, I'm not the admin. Oh, I got to be the administrator. But yeah, there you go. So we'll put it there. Let's go. Oh, I think I was trying to put it inside a zip file. That's what I was trying to do, I think. So we'll just save it to the desktop. There we go, that worked. Okay, so save it to the desktop. Now, let's talk about what you would do with this, okay? Because you're like, okay, yeah, I generated a QR code, but now what? Well, it depends on a couple of things. First of all, if you're using it for a website, like I told you that, in this mock scenario that I was doing to make it match, well, what I would do now is I would take that image and I would go to the website and I would just, upload it to my server and install the image, just like you would any other image. Okay, and if you don't know how to do that, you can search on Google or anywhere and figure out how to do that. Now, if you're using it in print media, then you'd take the JPEG image and send it to the newspaper that's running your ad or whatever print is running your ad. So that's all you do. It's really that simple. It's that easy. Don't make it overcomplicated. All you do is generate them, take your picture, and put it wherever you want. Okay, so anywhere that you want people to be able to scan. Now you could also take that image and, like I said, it doesn't have to be limited to newspapers. It can be put on flyers and whatever. So if you're doing offline stuff where they're going to be putting it on newspapers or on flyers or whatever, ask them what format they prefer and if they prefer it in bitmap or if they prefer it in JPEG, and then generate the according code. Okay, it's that easy. That's how you use this. I hope you've learned a lot during these little short videos. Remember, again, if you get lost, if you need any help, let me know at my support desk. It's www.support.koberock.com. Alright, this is Kobe, and now get out there and start using this Lightning QR and make you some money. Alright, I'll see. This is Kobe. I'll talk to you later.